Hey guys, wanna know how to install GeeksforGeeks for Android or iOS simply on your mobile devices? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, simply open up your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you're there, head towards the search bar and type in GeeksforGeeks. Once you've done it, right here you can see your GeeksforGeeks learning app. Now just simply select install right here. But if you want more details, just simply select the application icon and there you go. Now you can just simply check in the reviews and how it is built, etc. and just select install right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And after a while, your installation should begin right here. And you can enjoy learning through GeeksforGeeks. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.